Hey followers, it's Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Y'all, I look crazy right now, but we not gonna look crazy forever, okay? Because this is going to be a cute, no, I'm not gonna call it simple. I'm gonna call it a glam Valentine's Day look. This is to inspire you for your date night, even if it's in the house, because I know we're still in a panoramic, or if you're gonna go out and risk it all, okay? So either or, you could throw this makeup look on. So we're gonna do cute. We're gonna probably dabble a little bit of glitter or whatever. You know, we're gonna keep it cute, keep it nice, keep it right, keep it fun. Okay? So before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Reese LaFleur. This is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. We're talking about fashion, makeup, hair, nails, all of that good stuff. That's something that you're interested in, and we're doing all of it on a budget. Make sure that you consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Okay, let's get into it. So, we're gonna prime my face first. I don't know if I'm gonna talk through. I feel like I don't do a lot of talk through makeup tutorials, so I'm gonna try to talk through. But when I start doing my makeup, I tend to forget. Yeah. But I'm gonna start with my Fenty Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Primer, and this is, I believe, soft matte. And then we're going to go in, of course, with our Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Matte Foundation. This is the color 450. This is my favorite, or one of my favorite foundations. My second favorite foundation is actually from Bakerie. Yeah, Bakerie getting me together, girl. And I have to order some new. So my favorite brush that I blend with, which is my M439. I don't have this, so I'm just going to blend with this brush right here, which I don't think is the best blending brush, but I do not like blending with a beauty blender. So we're going to have to just make it do what it do, poo. Yeah, I had to wash my M439 because it was very gunky. Like, I don't know what was going on. Like, I washed all my makeup brushes, but that one just didn't clean the way I needed it to. So I had to rewash it. So it's currently drying, you guys. Okay, so this is super dense. It is not blending the foundation necessarily how I like it, but we're going to make it work. We're going to make it spread. We're going to make it lit. So like I have no foundation. It's in on my face right now. Like, no foundation is right here. The glow. I want this in here. Have to blend to the neck, okay? Blend to the neck, okay? Blend to the neck. Okay, that's better. Come on, to the nose. There we go. Now we're wearing foundation. So I pretty much use the same products with the same foundation. I'm weird like that. Like, I feel like some products go best with whatever foundation that you're using. And for my Fenty, I just love the way my Juvia's Place concealers work. So this is number 11 and this is number 3. And we're going to go ahead with the highlight portion first. So now I'm going in with number 3. This is for my contour color. Super. Now don't put too much product here. I want it to spread, but not too much. There's definitely hair in my face, okay? And I put a little bit of dot right there on either side of the nose. I feel like every time I do my makeup, I kind of just show you and then do a voiceover, but today we gonna talk through it, honey. And I grabbed my M523 brush to blend that out. And the other brush, I don't know what number this is, but this is a Crown Cosmetics brush, which is almost the same as a Morphe brush anyway. So yeah, this is Morphe, that's Crown, almost pretty much the same thing. Alright, so then I go back in with my lighter concealer, and I like to cut my cheeks, especially since I have like a little bit of a fatter face. So I do take a little bit of product and I just dab it there like that, in here. And that's because the Juvia's Place concealers, they're very, very, I don't know, like wet. They spread very easily. As you can see, that was literally all I needed. That's literally all I needed to do that. So, you gotta know your products when you're using them, sis. Yeah. Okay, so then I go on my Juvia's Place setting powder, and this is in the color Kalahari, which is kind of like a banana powder. If anyone like what color is that? It's like a yellow powder. And I just kind of dab it over my face. I don't like to bake. I kind of press it into the skin with my brush, like so. I don't really bake anymore. I just press it in so it stays in place. And that's pretty much how I do that. And it kind of absorbs on its own. So I don't use a lot of setting powder anymore. I find that this tends to make my skin look a lot, how you say, like real. So now what I usually do is I go ahead and do my eyebrows, which I will do, but I don't do it in front of you guys. So I'm going to use my Morphe Brow Pomade. This is my favorite. This is what I use for my brows every single time. And I'll be back right after my brows are done and we'll do some eyes. Okay, so we cleaned up the eyebrows. We did the eyebrows. We cleaned them up and all that good stuff. So now we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base, and this is number 2. I'm just going to dab that on the center of each eyelid. Perfect because it helps your eyeshadow stick to your lid. Okay, so I am actually going to choose what glitter I want first because I don't know yet. And I got 2 new glitters from my girl Dolly Roman at All Dolled Up Cosmetics. And I want to go ahead and see. Ooh, I think I already know which one. Dang it. Oh, okay. Ooh, I think I'm going to go with this. I feel like... Okay. Wait. So we got this, which is like a green and purple kind of shimmer, which is super pretty. This is not a color that I have or use often, so I'm leaning toward this one. But then this is like a staple pinkish reddish glitter that is like super Valentine's Day, but I really am leaning toward this one. I love to start my eyeshadow with like a lighter or kind of like a brown because I think it just looks really good under my eyebrow instead of making it super light. But that's just me. Alright, so after that I'm trying to decide if we're going to go in with another kind of color, and I think I will, and I think I'm going to go in with this kind of like eggplant purple here, like that lighter purple but not as deep. I'm going with this as eggplant, but who knows? Cause who be knowing their colors, y'all? I be knowing, but I don't be knowing at the same time. So after that color, we're gonna go in with another color, guys. And we're gonna go in with this deepest purple right here. I don't know, I'm feeling purple today because of the glitter. The glitter inspired the purple because I want the green and the metallic to kind of like stand out on its own. I don't want to really put any green because I don't want it to, you know, I don't know. In my mind, it's just the way I want it to be. I don't like this. This palette, I don't like the way it's necessarily blending. So I'm gonna go back in with some other colors to blend it out more. And I'm just gonna pack those colors on top here just to give it more gradient of color. Kind of like that. And then what I do is I'm going to grab that same brush that I use that deep purple with, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm not going to add any product. I'm just going to blend it out at the edges so it's not so harsh with the black. Just kind of blend it out. I am trying to shape that V shape a little bit and just blend over that so it's not so harsh. Okay, so now I'm going to go in. Now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do a simple cut crease. Wrong brush, that was gonna piss me off if I use that brush. Ciao. Ciao. Going in with the glitter. Just gonna take a cute little brush, pack it in, and start patting in the product. Super green, not really as purple as I wanted it to be, but we'll see how it lays. But it is really pretty. Going again. Really pretty. I love how green it actually looks, honestly. So we're gonna go with that, and I'm actually gonna go back in with some black to like, I can't speak English. I'm just gonna go back in with some more black to deepen that V there on the outside. So we're gonna go here, and we're just gonna go in with the black, like so. Other side, like so. So after that, we're basically done with the eyes besides like liner and stuff, but I always do that at the end when I do my lashes, which you probably won't see me do on camera because I really need to do my hair, my edges, like everything needs to be done. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Morphe palette. This is the deep contour palette, the deep glam contour palette. This is really what I use for blush and contour to add extra contour. So I'm just going to go in with the darkest contour and the darkest bronzer color, which are right next to each other right here. And I'm just going to start packing that on my face, warming up the cheeks again. I actually love this bronzer. I've been wanting to order the Fenty one, but I just always forget about it when I'm on Fenty. I don't know why I do that, but I do want to try the Fenty one because I hear good things about it. So coming soon to a Reese LaFleur near you. Just want to deepen out that nose. We want the nose to be okay. And now we're gonna go with the blush. I always love this pinkish blush on me right here, so I'm gonna go with that pink blush. We're just gonna pack it in on the cheeks. I love blush, you guys, so I might overdo it, but I love blush, so said tomboyo. Highlighter. We're gonna go to Beauty Bakerie. You put it down and it's gone. So I'm just dabbing it on my nose and kind of using my finger to blend it out. Definitely want to move nose forward, okay? So what I'm going to do now actually is I'm going to set my face in front of you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelashes, eyeliner, English, eyelashes, eyeliner, and I'll do my lips in front of you guys, and I'm going to fix my hair before I come back and do my lips. So we're going to be a whole new when we come back. I'll fix my hair a little bit. I look a little bit more presentable. And now we're going to go in and do lips, and then we're going to close this out because we're pretty much done. That piece of hair is blowing my, I keep putting wax, all type of stuff, and it just keeps doing whatever it wants to do. I hate that. Like, it just makes me want to go like this. Clip. Whatever. So we're going to start off with the Joah Water Matte lipstick, and this is in the color Chocolate Chip. This is actually my favorite brown, well, one of my favorite. I have two. One is from Ramona Joan, and this is the other one. The Ramona Joan one is a little bit darker. This is a little bit more like brown. Now I love a matte lip, but I really feel like I want it to be glossy. But I love a matte lip. What should I do? What should I do? I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Alright, I'm going to go do glossy because why not? And this from Beauty Brat. The color isn't on here, but I'll try to put it down in the description box. That's me trying to like get the gloss everywhere without having to like move my lips, but then I have to like pat it in. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. This is definitely a look you can wear out for Valentine's Day or wear in. Make sure that you're safe in this panoramic, child, okay? That is most important. I want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.